We just dropped off our artwork for the exhibit next week. Excited, I'm nervous. It kind of feels like Christmas morning, just seeing all the boxes there.
I dropped off 2 prints that I made in the darkroom, in the color darkroom. I spent many hours in the darkroom making sure I had the right colors, that the print was not dented, which happened. So I had to redo it a lot of times, but yeah, I'm happy with the results.
My experience on this past 2 weeks was kind of difficult, so much things to do and so much things to deliver, but I'm happy. It was a great process. I learned a lot. I hope everyone can come to our exhibition and see our work.
Hi, I am Claudia Bettina from Venezuela.
Liam Tobin from Vermont.
I'm Maria Ruiz, I'm from Mexico.
Guram Muradov, Georgia, from Tbilisi.
Daniel Jimenez, I'm from Colombia.
Sara Meneses Cuapio from Tlaxcala, Mexico.
I'm AJ Coley, I'm Elberton, Georgia.
My name is Yelizaveta Orlovska. I'm from Ukraine, Odessa. I do project in ICP about immigrant mothers because I'm immigrant mother myself. I was wondering how another woman in the same situation when they come to United States, to New York, feeling.
In these months, I've been following the kidnappings of ICE in the streets of New York, and I'm wounding the photographs with chemigrams as the territory is wounded by the violence of the state.
Yeah, so my project looks at essentially the inner workings of the human nervous system. This specifically is looking at the inner ear and a reimagining of the inner ear in the context of nature and abstraction.
My project is about the current situation of Venezuelans in US and the question that we ask ourselves about if we are safe in this country because of our nationality.
Known Place, it's a photography project about my feelings and the explorations of my experience becoming an immigrant here in the United States.
My work explores self-portraiture, spirituality, and the conversation between my upbringing as well as my newfound spirituality. I came to a photo slam here. I actually realized that I needed to be in a bigger program than just a photo slam.
My project is about queer community in New York. I work with drag queens to show people how the drag community works, how big of an effort they put in their work. I'm working on a book, and the rest you can see on the exhibition. ICP is the place where you can spread your wings and learn about the language that the whole world speaks, which is a visual language. So I encourage everyone to join the ICP team, ICP family, and good luck with that.
Yes! Guys, this is for Instagram. Can we yell? Yes, thank you.
So look around you. Look at all that we did. These images came from somewhere. From someone who wasn't sure they could do it. From 9 months of surrender and doubt and showing up anyway. This work is proof. And today, it belongs to all of us. So give yourselves a round of applause.